Hello. One of the most common questions I get is why NBN is even here. What are we trying to achieve? In this day and age where we see a digital revolution that is massive in scale, you look at the globe and everything that's transpiring and everything that's happening, Australia needs to be competitive. And that's what NBN is here to do. Now, along the way, we know that there's a number of disruptions with the transformation that we're making. We know that far too many people didn't get the experience that they were looking for, and our industry has pulled together to try to do something differently. And I'm going to talk to you about what NBN is intending to do. Now, NBN only represents a couple links on the chain, but we know we have to do our part in leading us through. And we have a three-part approach to being able to solve for this. First and foremost is that we need to collaborate with our industry partners to make sure that we can deliver the internet that you need to satisfy your household or your business requirements. The second part of the strategy is to make sure we're addressing quality. We know that you need it done right the first time, and we're going to deliver that. We know that you need a network that is stable, and we know that should there be a service outage of some sort, that we need to get out there promptly and fix it right the first time too. We need to continue to make progress on the speed of the build, on making sure that we're improving with the customer experience, to make sure that we're improving with the affordability that we know that you need to be able to use the internet to the benefits that it's going to bring each and every household. And to that end, we know first and foremost we have to share more about our progress. We have to share more about our improvements that we're making. We have to share more about the experience that you're getting to where you can make the most of your broadband connection. Finally, anyone in business knows that what you measure is what people see as important. And we have a lot of internal measures right now that we look at. What's different about us going forward is we're going to reveal that to you. We're going to publish on a regular basis on our website exactly how we're progressing with the build out of the network, with our improvements with quality, with our collaboration with our industry partners. And this three-part strategy is going to be run by and led by Chief Customer Officer Brad Whitcomb. And I'd like to make sure that you all know that we take this as our highest priority within the company. Now, I'm really excited about this particular initiative because it's about the fact that our #1 priority is you and the customer experience that we provide.